My name is Neha Verma, and I'm Indian, but I've lived in Oman all my life. And I'm a master's in social work, so I'm a social worker and a counseling psychologist and mindfulness teacher. I came to Yoga Essence um, to deepen my relationship with myself and also to learn formally how to teach meditation, as that is part of my practice. But this past month has been beyond my expectations. I didn't know what to expect before I came, but this month has been truly transformative for me. I won't lie, it has been intense at times. Um, my ego is really had to be checked. Um, there were a lot of triggering situations that came up, but through the practices, through keeping an open mind, but also allowing myself to feel all of these emotions with the guidance of Swamiji and Yana, a safe space was created for me to work through some really troubling emotions. And my intentions for why I came were fulfilled and more. I can say now, at the end of the course, that it is truly worth it. If you can just be open and allow the experience to just unfold. And even though there might be resistance at times, to accept it and acknowledge it um, and move through it, you will see that this course can truly be life-changing, and it is what I have experienced. I am taking back with me so many methods in my own personal life, as well as what I hope to teach in my practice. Um, I am going back open and allowing, um, mindful on another level, and conscious. So I'm truly grateful to Yoga Essence, to Swamiji, to Yana, and to my group members who made this such a safe and beautiful experience. Thank you.